Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to recover your deleted item, whether it's a folder, it's a picture, it's a document, from anywhere in your PC, whether it's in like on your folders on your PC, or it's in your USB drive, or it's in your external. So there's a software you're gonna need. I think I'm gonna put the link of the software in the description, or I think you're gonna have to send me an email for me to send you the link. I'll see how I do it. So first thing, you're gonna need the software. So I'm gonna install the software right now. Just show you everything, how everything runs actually. Let me start by installing, then I'm gonna show you how to do it. I'm gonna try deleting something from my PC, then try to recover it. So let's see how this goes. Okay. So when you're here, you actually have to know where your lost file was at. So if it was on the straight on your PC, you have to select the C drive. But if it was on something external like a USB or an external hard drive, you have to select on your external hard drive. I think I wanna, let me see. Okay, this is a project I was working on. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna delete. Okay, let me do like this. Let me delete everything in here. Delete. It's on the folder, and then I'm gonna delete it on my trash also. Okay. Now it's clean. There's nothing in here. There's nothing on my bin also. So let's go back to the software. Try to recover the deleted things. So I didn't want to use like huge data that I'm gonna recover because it's gonna take long. I think that one is very small. Probably gonna take some time. I've just skipped to like the middle part of it because it's not finished loading yet. So I'm just gonna try to recover whatever that shows up from that folder. I don't know what's gonna show up, but then I'll just recover whatever that I have. Yes, this is the file. Okay, one video is missing. So I guess in this case I should have waited a bit longer to get the other video, but I don't know whether should I wait or should I just recover what I have right now, because I'm just trying to show you something. It's not that I actually need those stuff. So I don't know. Now I'm thinking actually of recovering these ones. Yeah, I think I should recover only these ones because it's just a demonstration. It's not like I need them. Okay, let me stop it here. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay, let me save it. Okay, now I have to choose a directory where I want to save the recovered thing. So okay, I don't think I'm gonna make a new folder. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna make a new folder. Let me use the old one and recover them from there. If the file is too big, it's gonna take time to actually load that part of recovery if the file is very huge. So here are my recovered things. I think the second video took time because maybe it's too long. I don't know, didn't check that. So yeah, this is the thing that I'll try to show you. So if ever you want to recover something from your hard drive, whether it's your main hard drive on your laptop or desktop, or your external hard drive, or your USB drive, you can use this software to actually recover them. Whether your external is corrupt, it's on raw format, and you can't access the hard drive, you can use the software to actually recover it. Just play around with the software, try to understand it, and everything will be good actually. If ever you need help, you can send me an email. I can actually help you if your external or hard drive it's corrupt or whatever the case may be. Send me an email so I can help you out with this. So if you want the software, please send me an email. Can you please also send me a screenshot showing that you've subscribed to my channel and you've also so that I can send you a link to getting this software. As you can see there by the corner, it shows that my software it's already registered, so it's pre-registered. So if you're gonna get it, you're not gonna pay any subscription or anything. The only thing I need is your subscription and your like, and then send me a picture of those things so that I can send you a link. I think that's pretty much it. So if you have any questions, if you want me to clarify something, please just hit me up on my email, or you can leave a comment. Yeah, I think I'm done. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.